Hi, Justin Labato here, and we're inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage with special guest Bruno Massel.
Hey Justin, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you? We are showcasing the Pinnacle Black Label Leather Balm.
You know, the thing I love about it, first of all, it smells great. You know, it's like when you apply this, you get that rich Corinthian leather smell, which you desire when you're trying to treat your leather. And the other thing too, it's got UV inhibitors inside. So what it's gonna do is block the harmful rays of the UV sun from cracking and drying out those leather seats.
Yeah, and the other benefit is it has rich conditioning oils along with beeswax. So it really does help nourish and feed the leather to keep it supple over time as you get in and out of the vehicle. For more information about Pinnacle Black Label Leather Balm, visit Autogeek.com.